So we just saved this as a CSV file, and as you can see we're still kind of showing it in Excel. So close it down there and let's have a look at it here now, if we can bring it up in our folder. So I'll just get rid of that, there was a bit of a backup here. So this time, now if I double click on that, it will open up as an Excel file, and that's not what we want. Now yes, CSV files can be opened as Excel in Excel formats, but what we really need to do is open this with Notepad. Open it with Notepad and you can now really see the format of a CSV file. This is a plain text file which can store large amounts of information, and that's why it's used, and it's very handy. It's just values are separated by commas and they all match up. So the distance here on this particular overall row matches up with the distances here on the intervening rows after moving on, and similarly with the time. So you will be getting a data set. When you download the data set, this is how the data set will look. Now for making it easy, it really is easier to see this data in Excel and you know, reference it in Excel and how it should look, but your CSV format is what you want to be saving it as, because it saves it. You can store huge volumes of information, and you know, with small amounts of storage space.